We're on Old London Bridge in 1600 and we're about to do something that will either get us banned or burned at the stake.
Aerial photography, like in travel vlogs, nothing unusual.
Yes.
And he was shot down.
Here, Uber is called not in the app, but like this. Stop, stop. Hurry up, they're coming for us. Sitting in the carriage, we spent the weekend in historic London and the atmosphere is amazing. Our drone was stolen and we're being chased by a furious mob. I'll show you everything. In this issue, I used real historical illustrations for reconstruction. Hey, boss, are you free?
Where are you going?
To Richmond Palace. Like in a navigation system, build a route while avoiding the plague. Guys, this is Thames. The view is like in the movies, just the smell like in a documentary.
Don't put your hand in the water.
I get it. It's not about touching history, it's about getting history on your skin. Look, is that him? Richmond Palace?
That's the one.
Service, driver, navigator, and technical support. One person. Rating, didn't drown, 5 stars. I've been invited to some kind of event. It's like a concert. Whole families have come with their children. It must be a holiday of some kind. Wow, live performance, guys. But honestly, it's too realistic. Tell me, what kind of holiday is this?
This is a witch's execution.
Important travel tip. If there are a lot of people in the square in 1600 and no music, it's not a festival. I went looking for normal entertainment, like bread and not dying. Oh, look at the swords they're selling here. Everything here is made without plastic. Eco-friendly at the level of Da Vinci. Can I get on the plane with him? Local shopping without chain stores, but the atmosphere is great. This is the Globe Theatre, where you can see the real classics. Shakespeare is on the rise, and they say he's brought a new play. To be or not to be? That is the question. Tickets are cheap, only 1 penny. Honestly, it's not Tom Cruise, but the drama is amazing. I met a subscriber and we agreed to explore London together, but we couldn't get a phone call. So, how are you doing?
Brother, I've been running around half the city. I was looking for local SIM cards, but they only sold me this. SIM card Pigeon Mobile, plan Coo and Cool. This is the only connection where lost the network is literally lost the bird.
Is it delicious? Can I try it? Thank you. I won't ask what it is. I'll order something else. It's so fun here. Everyone is dancing and singing and drinking a lot. The dancing here is like being robbed and blessed at the same time.
I checked into a local hotel. The room is small, but minimalism is in fashion. A bed made of rough boards, candles, and, well, there's clearly something wrong with the hot water, and there's no phone charging either. I wanted to give the hotel a score of 2 out of 10 on the booking app, but the Wi-Fi doesn't work either. I bought a pie at the local food court. The filling is mysterious, but it's handmade. It's free of preservatives and GMOs, and I would recommend adding soy sauce. Is there a latte? Excuse me, but why is it a child doing this?
Because it's small, it fits, it makes sense.
The logic of the 1600s. If you can fit through a pipe, it's a profession.
Aerial photography, like in travel vlogs, nothing unusual.
Yes. Just instead of a flight ban, it's a ban on witchcraft. If anyone asks, it's a mechanical bird. Do you understand?
Let's just say it's an upgraded pigeon.
Yeah. The Pigeon Pro Max model.
Nothing unusual. What is this thing?
It's a trained pigeon. He only bites liars.
Oh, God bless.
Let's go. Our drone lived in 1600s London for 8 seconds.
And he was shot down.
These are the last seconds of the drone's life.